The Designer Monthly Challenge is a creative exercise to get you to bond with your team members and also think outside the box.
An opportunity to explore. I think that's probably the simplest way of putting it.
In a way, it's like a mini design sprint, right? So we get a challenge, and then we have to solve for whatever we're trying to solve for.
So we've done things like create a family shield, using Sketch, or creating movie posters, or just like more silly, fun drawing games.
One person is leading the meeting, so that person gets to kind of pick what they want to do. And then from there, we'll kind of lay down the ground rules, establish everything that we're doing, answer any questions at that point. But then we try to reserve as much time as possible for just kind of like playing around and seeing what we do.
Music will be playing, and jokes will be had, and then once it's all done, we all share it and have some good laughs about what's been done, mainly because the things that have been created are usually pretty silly and fun.
One challenge that was very funny was the designers went through this exercise of taking TV show names and just changing out a couple letters to make it either punny or just silly, and we created movie posters out of those. Those turned out to be quite hilarious. Like Even Stevens was Seven Stevens.
It kind of stretches your mind in a different way, so it can be really helpful when you're working on a project and you kind of feel like you're in a rut, you're kind of stuck on one direction, but you need to switch it up a little bit. So to be able to kind of recall back to other challenges, like, oh, I remember I was looking for a font that was very specifically related to like this album cover I was making, but actually that could be a really cool reference for this site I'm working on or something like that.
It just helps to branch out and realize that there's different ways to solve a problem, there's different ways to be creative, and there's different ways to show off that creativity and see how many different ideas you can come up with, or how fast you can come up with a good idea.
When we work together, we're not necessarily, building a foundation for friendship. It's very professional, but then this gives us an opportunity to, joke around and have some fun with our work. Having that type of camaraderie is very important to us.
Thanks, that's it.
Cool, thanks. Okay, bye.
Bye.